Hello everybody, this video is going to talk about something about myself. First, my name is Yaremi alias Duarte. I am 17 years old. My favorite color is pink and I really like pink and black combination. Something that I really like are pets. I really love animals, all the kind of animals. For example, lions because are brave, or dolphins because are intelligent. My pet's name is Kiara. It's a dog. In my free time, I like to dance. I like to read, for example, romantic books because I really like the drama, are very interesting, and I like to listen to music too. What kind of music I like to listen to? Maybe romantic, pop, and electronic music because are more interesting for me. And I don't know, I really feel that kind of music. My favorite singers are Sabrina Carpenter, Shawn Mendes, and Ed Sheeran. They are pop singers, and I really like the music that they make. Alan Walker is a DJ. He is he makes electronic music, and I really like to. Um, if we talk about sports, I like to play basketball first. Before all of this, the quarantine, I went with my friends to the basketball field and we played on the Saturdays afternoons. I really like to go. I really enjoy that. And the company of my friends was very awesome. In the soccer, I like to play that, but in a personal way, I like to play basketball. I prefer that. If you ask me, where is your favorite place to go on vacations, maybe my answer would be mountains or the beach. But I prefer mountains because are more quiet and you can enjoy all the environment, the trees, the flowers, and it's better for me. My wish, my dream, maybe, is to travel. For example, I would like to travel to Suiza. It's a place where the weather is very, what? Comfortable, is cold, and maybe it has a lot of beautiful things, and maybe go to the Paris is my another dream. Maybe go to visit to this place is like all the common dream of a girl, but I heard that is a romantic place to visit and I would like to know because of my interest. I don't know why. Okay, and that's all for myself. I'm so excited to start this new semester because I like English since I have memory. Yes, maybe when I was a child, like 6 years old, I like to learn English things. So English is something important in my life. So I'm so excited to start to learn because this is very important for me. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video.